can't choose how and where to be born, as much as you can't control the color of your skin and eyes, the shapes of your chin and nose, the mole on your left wrist, or the birthmark on the side of your hip. However, you are not born without choices. The older you get, the more you have them on your hands. Your lifetime decision depends solely on your consideration and or calculation. So should you be blaming your actions and words on your parents, the people who have brought you into this world? You say you are sulky and in a crappy mood all the time because you never see the good examples of managing and channeling emotions properly. You say you can never tolerate people who make mistakes because your parents always demand the best from you, expecting nothing like the ordinary things people out there might think and do. You say you are judgmental with lots of prejudice because that's what you receive every day you walk out of that door. Through every impolite stare and whisper behind your back, condemning you for not being born with silver spoon in your mouth or some backgrounds you can be proud of. You throw your tantrum at our faces, blaming us for not making you the kindest, the gentlest, the most compassionate soul in this world, for not making you live an easy life full of prominent relatives and connections, which will open doors of opportunities to your future, blaming us for just being the imperfect us who gave birth and raised the imperfect you. To that accusation, my child, I can only ask you back, are you a robot? Did or do we program you into doing, saying, making anything, going anywhere you're not completely aware or didn't have control of? Did or do we live in your brain to think what you refuse to imagine, in your heart to feel what you loathe, in your life dictating every step and decisions you make? Your parents are not robots and neither are you. You can't blame your lack of sympathy, intelligence, circle of friends, or even the temperature of your morning coffee on us. It's your life, your path, your choice to be kind, gentle, compassionate, patient, smart, talkative, considerate, easygoing, lovable, trustworthy, or not. Whenever you feel angry, you can calm yourself down, take that chill pill, rethink what you will say and possibly regret, reconsider the course of your actions, regain the control which is actually never leaving your hand or is being handed over to someone else, someone like us. Your life is yours to live, your personality is yours to shape. Genetics and every other thing inherited can be pretty messed up, but it's nothing a good awareness and conscious can't and won't be able to fix. Physically, you might be a spitting image of us, a reflection in the same mirror, but you are not us. You are your own person, and most importantly, you're not a robot, deprived of the ability to consider, to reject, and to change, for better or for worse. You're just not a robot.